Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Happy to be here again. If this is your first time, welcome to the Merge Campus channel. Feel free to check out my other videos. Got some great stuff. You can subscribe. Putting out great content on Merch by Amazon. If this is not your first time, always happy to have you back here. So today is a pretty exciting video for me personally, and it's basically people. I'm reading a lot in the groups, in the comments. There's a lot of frustration and being stuck at a low tier level for months. 2, 3, 4 months. Of course, there's a lot of resources out there that you can check out telling you how to tier up. You can subscribe to Merch Elephant's newsletter, or you can sign up to Greg Priest's Merch by Amazon guide, and they give you knowledge about how to tier up, right? But this is going to be where we're entering the best time of the year to be in Merch by Amazon, right? And so people are saying, like, what niche should I get into? What should I make designs for? Things like that. And hopefully this video will answer that question, because I can't think of an easier way to make sales organically, right? Of course, if you're building a brand, driving your own traffic, that's awesome. And if you have an AMS account, start using it before the holidays get too expensive. I'm using AMS now. Not everyone has access yet. They're rolling it out, but that's great. I'm seeing good results with that as well. So what are we going to do? It's very easy. Very, very simple. People asking, what niche should I get into? Just do this. List of hobbies. All right. Let's just do, any of these will work. Let's click on that. This is stage 1, okay? Stage 2, we basically look one. Let's say like flying, airplanes. That's always a big niche. You see it everywhere. Or acting is pretty good. Archery, you see that as well. Things like that. Baseball is big. Okay, you make a list. Okay, let's take out the text editor. You make a list. Baseball, archery. What else was it? What else was there? Let's look for some. Ballet. Guitar, beer. Okay, we got some good niche ideas there, but these are pretty big niches. It's hard to stand out. So we're in Q4, best time of the year to make sales. How do we do this? We do this thing called intersecting. What does that mean? So you take a niche that you find. Look, just Google list of niches. All right. Discover 1,000 profitable niches. Okay. And just get into here. Make sure, of course, you're trademark checking everything, particularly when it comes to the holidays. Astrology, art, okay? These are all niches, okay? Yoga. What's the next stage we do? We intersect them with holidays. And now, the first holiday that we're going to hit is Halloween, probably, the major one. The next one in November will be Thanksgiving. And then the third major one will be in December will be Christmas. Okay? So now make a baseball Halloween shirt for October. Make a baseball Thanksgiving shirt for November. Make a baseball Christmas shirt for December. Okay? And you replicate that across niches. Now, why is this going to increase your odds of making a sale? Around the holiday season, Amazon gets huge amounts of organic traffic. We are not driving our own ads. We're not building a brand, driving external traffic. We have to rely on organic traffic, right? For most of us, that's what we're doing. If you can drive ads or build your own brand, that's it. That's even better. You're going to dominate. But this is what most of us are doing. We're competing with each other for organic traffic. So what's going to increase your odds is going to be, instead of just making a niche. For one, you're like, I don't know what niche to do. Just write in Google list of niches, or go on Amazon and write funny T-shirts. You'll see what is selling, okay? It's not as hard as we make it. The next thing we do is to benefit from Q4, quarter 4, October, November, December. We make a shirt that is in that theme, Halloween themed shirt, Thanksgiving themed, right? And you can do this year round, whether it's Father's Day. This dad loves sloths, and you give that for your dad who loves sloths, right? It's basically a huge principle here. It's called intersecting niches. Anyway, okay, let's stay focused. So that's it. I could go into some more stuff, but let's keep it at this for now. This is, in my opinion, the best way to improve your odds of making a sale and tiering up in the most important time of the year, right? Because if you could tier up at least in October, that'll set you up for November and December. Of course, I think that you should buy your way if you're able to buy your way out of the first 2 tiers, because your odds of making sales increases exponentially the more like slots you get, right? And the way you do that is just you invest in merch as a business and you buy your first few shirts. Or if you're a real hustler, you get businesses to buy shirts for them that you make them, right? At no profit to you, just to get the sales. Okay, that's it for today. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of how to grab those sales as we're entering Q4, how to tier up, how to find niches, and then how to link those to the most popular holidays of the year, pretty much in the United States. And that's it. All right, hopefully that was useful. If you like what you see, shoot me a comment or something, like, I don't know. It's up to you. I'm going to link some videos here. All right, take care, everyone. Thank you so much.